Figma versus Framer. Which is better? Primarly Use. Figma, design and prototyping. Framer, prototyping and advanced interactions. Collaboration. Figma, real-time collaboration, multiple users can work simultaneously. Framer, limited real-time collaboration. Platform compatibility. Figma, web-based, works on any OS, Windows, macOS, Linux. Framer, desktop application for macOS and Windows. Vector editing. Figma, yes, robust vector editing capabilities. Framer, limited, focused more on interactions and animations. Prototyping. Figma, yes, interactive prototypes. Framer, advanced prototyping with detailed interactions. UI components. Figma, components and design system support. Framer, components and interactive UI elements. Animations and interactions. Figma, basic animations and transitions. Framer, advanced animations and interactive components. Code export. Figma, auto-generates code snippets for design elements. Framer, allows custom code for more complex interactions. Plugins and integrations. Figma, extensive plugins and integrations. Framer, plugin ecosystem integration with design tools. Responsive design. Figma, auto layout for responsive designs. Framer, supports responsive design through components. Team collaboration. Figma, real-time collaboration, design systems and components. Framer, collaboration features, shared components. Subscription model. Figma, freemium model with free and paid plans. Framer, subscription-based pricing. Learning curve. Figma, user-friendly, collaborative features may require a learning curve. Framer, may have a steeper learning curve for complex interactions. Offline access. Figma, requires an internet connection for real-time collaboration. Framer, works offline with limited collaborative features.